Hello everyone, it's Gigi. Welcome to Saturday Morning Makes with Jill Norwood. This is episode 9 for me, and I hope everyone had a happy Easter. If you don't celebrate, I hope everyone had a happy Sunday. So I have 4 cards to share with you guys today. So I'm going to share what I used, and then I'll share what I made. So I used some tumbled glass distress oxide. I used my favorite things. What is this? Blueprints 31 die set. I used the large circle framed die. I used the My Favorite Things mini cloud edges stencil. I used some masking paper from Inka Dinka Doo. And lastly, I used the Stamping Bella Cool Chicks collection called The Chick Who Was a Lamb. Really cute stamp set. And this is what I made. And it says, being different isn't a bad thing. It means you're brave enough to be yourself. And I used Copics to color. And then the inside says, for peeps' sake, have a happy Easter. So that was card number 1. Card number 2, I used Distress Oxide Kitsch Flamingo. I used my Pebbles Classic Chalks. I used the pink for cheeks. I used a sentiment from the Hooray collection from, I don't know what brand. I don't know if it's Crepe Paper or American Crafts. I used some of this Bejeweled Sequin in Gold by Yarn Bee. It's really pretty. And I used that because I didn't like the string on these balloons that I used from the Paper Studio. Then I used some of these numbers from the Maggie Holmes Chasing Dreams, and I used 45. And this is a funny story. So, I was at my parents' today with my sister, and come to find out, I've been aging myself a year, and my sister turns 44 this year, and I put 45 on her card. So, I have to make her a new card. And, so here's the Magnolia Tilda, congratulations Tilda, that I used. So we had a good laugh today. Well, they more so laughed than I did, but it was quite funny. And then I used My Favorite Things Sweet Celebration paper pad. And then I used this penny black die called Stitched Stackers. I also used the Infinity dies by Hero Arts, the rectangles. And here is the card that I made. I used Copics to color. So she's 44 this year, not 45 on May 1st. So lucky me. She has a card for next year. And the inside says, happy, happy birthday. So there's the card. Hold on, my cat one's out. I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, Play-Doh. Come on. Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry. Okay, that was that card. So the next card, I used Glossy Accents. I used, where did I put that stencil? I'm gonna make an avalanche. Please do not make an avalanche. I used the mini cloud edges again from MFT. I used the Simon Says Stamp Grassy Edges stencil. I used the Distress Oxide Mode Lawn and the Distress Oxide Broken China. And then I used the My Favorite Things Easter Bunnies. So cute. And I made a slimline card. And this is how it turned out. And the inside is blank right now, but that's what it looks like. And all my cards are obviously going out late. And I use Copics to color. And then my last card, I used a lot of things. So let me show you. I used the Pebbles chalk in the pink for the cheeks. I used Tumbled Glass Distress Oxide. If y'all can hear that, we're having a storm warning right now. I used the DCWV, the Corrugate Neutrals. I used some stamens. Well, I actually used one of the white. And these came from Allie. I used the Say It in Pearls crystals. No, they're not crystals. What am I saying? They're Say It in Pearls. Sorry, guys. Prima Marketing. These are from 2010. So these are old. I used some of these pearls. I used this, what is this called? Topaz Gold from the Artiste. And that's what it's called, Topaz Gold. I used some roses from the Little Birdie. I used some pink and some ivory. And this is when we could get them from Tuesday morning. I used lace. I used 3 different kinds. I use this really pretty one right here on the roll. And these I believe I got from Tina Bean, but I don't remember. I don't know about this one for sure, but I know I got this one from her. Really pretty lace. So I used all 3 of those. I used this die set here, and this came from Allie. I'm not sure where. I bought this from Gigi through a D-stash, so I don't have any information on it. I used my Distresser from Tim Holtz. I used one of these tickets that I have that says Hope. And then I used this paper pad, piece of paper from this paper pad that is called Kirby Teasdale Studio from the Paper Studio. And it's a really pretty paper pad, just lots of pretty papers. I used this sheet right here. And the last thing I used was this stamp. Oh, and I also used a charm, a butterfly charm. I used this stamp called Sitting Tilda with Butterfly that I got from Tina Bean, who's Crafty Bean here on YouTube, my BFF. And I colored it in Copics. And this is what I made. And then I didn't put anything on the inside yet because I don't know who it's going to. So that's all my cards, guys. I hope y'all enjoyed. I love you guys. Happy Easter. Bye-bye.